The NPP Southwest KHASI Hills District on Monday 6 December had sworn in new members of the Mawkyrwat unit at a function held at the Nativity Hall in Mawkyrwat. Those present during the function included the President NPP Southwest KHASI Hills District Unit KITBORLAng NONGREM, General Secretary Working SANGRIANG, President NPP of the RANIKOR Block Unit NELBI SANGMA besides others. New party workers of the NPP Mawkyrwat Block Unit included President Rowell Lyngdoh, Working President Nbin Karaswai, General Secretaries Deilang Snaitang and Remdor Shala, Treasurer Lamprangton Lingkhoy besides 30 executive members. While speaking to the media, the President NPP Southwest KHASI Hills District Unit, KITBORLANG NONGREM, expressed his gratitude at the readiness of the stalwarts like former Deputy Chief Minister Rowell Lyngdoh and former Member District Council Nbin Karaswai to associate themselves with the NPP and also their willingness to contribute to strengthening the party in the district.
Rowell Lyngdoh, President JONG Block JONG NPP hang ni hapom Mawkyrwat. Tigalong kabakanan do katata bangiyo iba Nbin Karaswai ru kumu Working President JONG parti kejungi hang ni. Tinalur jongki ngilajit ru ia ki General Secretary, ngilajit ru ia ki Secretary, ngilajit ia ki weipat kinongkit kam ia ki members jong kaneka komiti kabat thamai kejungi. Te hak dia sni pele yu ihi kalagi jongki khmat wa sibun ki ru rangba ki wan. Hot ki don ki weipat ki badang mut ban wan rung hakne parti ringam pat kwa ia kaban ya keren ya kata ha kaneka sni tenrai kapas mutna de kalong ba nilayo ya kaban yo ya kaneka parti ka full-fledged committee jong kaneka block committee ka jongi.